Are you traveling soon and wondering which eSIM service to choose? Today, we're comparing Holafly, Airalo, and Saily to help you make the best choice. All three services offer eSIMs for travelers. They allow you to connect to local networks without needing a physical SIM card. This means easy access to data no matter where you are. Let's start with Holafly. Holafly offers unlimited data plans in many countries. Their service is easy to use and you can activate your eSIM quickly. They also have good customer support, which is a plus for travelers who might need help. Now, let's look at Airalo. Airalo has a wide range of plans for different countries. They focus on affordability, so you can find a plan that fits your budget. Their app is user friendly, making it simple to manage your data usage. Next up is Saily. Saily is known for its flexibility. They offer pay as you go plans, which can be great if you only need data for a short time. Their service is reliable and they have coverage in many popular travel destinations. So, what are the key differences? Holafly is great for unlimited data. Airalo is budget friendly with many options. Saily offers flexibility with pay as you go plans. When it comes to features, Holafly shines with its unlimited data. Airalo has a variety of plans at different price points. Saily stands out for its flexibility, perfect for short trips. In terms of pricing, Holafly tends to be a bit higher for unlimited plans. Airalo is usually more affordable, while Saily's pay-as-you-go option can save you money if you don't need data all the time. In the end, if you want unlimited data, go with Holafly. For budget options, Airalo is the way to go. If you need flexibility, choose Saily. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more travel tips.